How to find momentum stocks on Finviz. To find momentum stocks on Finviz, follow these steps. First, go to any browser. Then enter finviz.com. Then click on Screener option. Then click on All section. Then select EPS growth past 5 years to positive. Then enter EPS growth next 5 years to positive. Then select sales growth past 5 years to positive. Then select EPS growth this year to positive. Then select EPS growth QTR over QTR to positive. Then select EPS growth next year to positive. Then select sales growth QTR over QTR to positive. Then select RSI to overbought 60. Then select all-time high low to 0 to 10%. Then select average volume to over 100K. Then click here and select price above SMA 200. Then click here and select price above SMA 50. Then enter relative volume to over 1.5. And all of your momentum stocks will show up. Thanks for watching.